Welcome to this Easy Computer Fixes channel, and in this tips and tricks for Windows 7 we're going to show you how to defragment your hard drive. Now, defragmentation is not necessarily required on a lot of Windows 7 machines, thanks to a great idea that Microsoft had, which is the fact that when you actually leave your computer alone for a few minutes, there's a defragmentation that is automatically done. So today it's, unless you are always using the computer and never letting it 5-10 minutes, with nothing to do, it is rarely a problem to have a fragmented hard drive. First of all, what is defragmentation? When you write files to your hard drive, the first thing that happens is that it fills space on the hard drive. You might erase some of these files sometimes, and when you erase them, what happens is it creates these little spots in between data that has no data at all, these little holes. Now, the computer and the hard drives know that, and when you write a new file, it's going to start by filling the holes and then continuing in sequence where it left off. The problem is that by filling holes when the file is bigger than the hole, then it means that the file will be fragmented, will be broken into little pieces and spread all across the drive. So the drive can cope with that with no problem, but when it's heavily fragmented, when the drive works too hard, you usually see a general slowdown of the computer, and you see that your hard drive's just working like hell to try to boot something, or just load a file or a program. So how do you defragment? You simply click on your start button, go on computer, and here you'll see your hard drive. Simply right click on the hard drive, click properties, and here you'll have tools, and in the tools, defragmentation, simply click defragment now. So you'll see this start up. You can analyze the disk, which will tell you if your disk is fragmented or not, and usually what it's going to give you as a report is how much it is fragmented. Usually a drive that is only 1, 2, 3% fragmented, I'd say even below 10%, is not necessarily something that you should worry about. But if you want to, after the computer has finished analyze your hard drive, you can click the defragment button, and it's gonna run and do it. Here it says 4% fragmented, which is not that big of a deal. But if it is a deal and you don't want that, you can simply say defragment disk, and it's gonna start defragmenting your hard drive and fixing and putting things together. What it's doing when it does that is simply taking the little parts that are spread, scattered everywhere on a hard drive, and making files with them that are going to be in sequence, which makes your hard drive work more efficiently. By the way, if you stumble upon this video and you have a Mac, Macs never have fragmentation problems. It is not something that happens on Macs because of the way the operating system is actually done and writes files on the hard drive. So that's pretty much how it works. Just check it out, and I've seen on some very fragmented hard drives things that computers that ran better. And also, one thing that you should know is that if your hard drive is very fragmented, it can take several hours before it is defragmented with this tool. And finally, a question that I get probably asked a lot is, do I need a third-party defrag software? No. Defragmenter is the disk defrag tool in Windows is really good. It does the job. You really don't need third-party software to do that. It's already in here, and it just clutters your hard drive and your computer with software that's not really useful. If you enjoy our videos, why not subscribe to our channel? You'll be informed when new videos are online. If you have any comments or questions on what you've seen, let us know. Maybe you have a problem, maybe you have a question regarding your iPad, your iPhone, Android device, Windows or Mac PC, let us know and we'll try to help you, and we'll try to make a video if possible to help others with the type of problem you are having. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.